How to add order tracking pages on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you want to add a permanent order tracking page for your customers on Shopify, you can do it with the help of a few simple and easy steps. You can follow along, and I'm just going to be copying and pasting some code. You don't have to type this out yourself. And if you are already using an app and you might be saying, hey, why should I be using this method instead? What's wrong with using an app? I don't want to do the coding part. It's so difficult. Well, the problem with using applications to build your tracking pages is if you take a look at all of these tracking page applications, all of these are limited to a certain number of orders that you can track. So if you receive more than, 50 orders per month, that means the rest of your orders will not be able to track. So unless you're willing to pay an extra price for absolutely no reason, there's no reason to opt for these. Instead, we're going to do this step by step. So let's jump right in. To get started, simply head on over into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Online Store on the left. Once you click on Online Store on the left, you're going to click on Pages. Once you click on Pages, you're going to click on Add Page. You're going to name this Tracking Page, and you're going to make this visible. Now, you're going to open up this link, and I will leave this link in the comments down below or in the description box down below. So you're going to copy this, and you're going to copy this from this part to this part, nothing else. Just copy it like so. Then go back into the new page you created, and then click on this icon over here. This is the Show HTML icon. You're going to paste your HTML code here, and now if you show the editor, this is what the editor looks like. Then just click on Save. Now, if I take a look at this particular page by going back and clicking on the View Page icon, this is what my page is going to look like. So it should have my tracking. Oh, this is because the page template that we used was the same as some of our other pages. Sometimes when you have a difficult page template, this is what it looks like. So this is what our tracking page currently looks like. Now, the next step is going to be to make this tracking page visible from our home page, because this is what the home page looks like. So for this, we're going to go into our basic content section, then go into menus under content, click on main menu, click on add menu item, click on link. Once you do that, click on your pages, and we're going to add our tracking page and then click on save. And just like that, this will be displayed within our Shopify store. Now, the next step is going to be to sync this up. So whenever a customer is going to place an order, you're going to send them a confirmation email, which is supposed to include the tracking information. So how do you get the tracking information to be synced up here? Well, for that, you're going to go back into your Shopify store dashboard and then click on Settings. Once you do that, go into Shipping and Delivery. Once you do that, you will see shipping slip templates, as well as third-party checkouts, delivery customizations, and all of your shipping info. Now, whenever you're setting up shipping, you do need to ensure that shipping has been set up before you can send out customer notifications. So if your shipping is set up correctly, you're going to go into Notifications under Settings. Then you're going to go into Customer Notifications and then scroll down. You will see under Order Processing, you have Shipping Confirmation. You also have other types of notifications that your customer is going to receive. However, what you're looking for is either your shipping confirmation, or if you want to add your tracking number, then you're going to scroll down and go into shipping updates. So that is what you're looking for. You're looking for a shipping update. Click on that. So once you click on the shipping update, you will see this particular code here. Now you're going to click on edit code. And once you do that, you're going to see liquid variables, as well as customizing emails. So you can click on liquid variables, and then you're going to go back into this original code. From there, you're going to copy it and make sure to change your own website URL. So you're going to find your website URL somewhere along here. This is your website URL, so where it says your store name, you do need to change that. And once you go back, so because our original email, I want this to be included in the first email, I'm going to click on the shipping confirmation email, click on edit code, and you must review and verify your sender email. So I'm going to resend my verification. My own Gmail account needs to be verified before I can make any other changes to my Shopify store, email notifications, and we're going to verify our email. And as soon as this is verified, we can proceed with our edits. So it has been verified now, and I'm going to go into notifications, customer notifications, shipping confirmation, edit code, and you're going to edit your code. So just remove all of this and then paste that in. Then you're supposed to add your own Shopify store URL. So open up your URL and then copy it. And you're going to scroll up where it says add your own website URL, because it's not going to work if it does not have your own URL. So here it is. Yeah, and it should be the tracking page URL, not just any random page. Go into pages, open up the tracking page, copy that, and then go back into the code, click on paste. Once you do that, you're going to click on save, and your notification template has been saved. Now, whenever someone is going to receive the order, it's going to be synced up with the order tracking, and order tracking would be able to get all of the relevant information. And that is how you can add your own order tracking page on your Shopify store.
And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.